Hi and welcome to Mataba News Report. The story that I have for you today, DJ Warase has been shot and killed in Johannesburg CBD. Wallace Stock, aka DJ Warase, was a club DJ, a media personality. He was popular and loved for his energetic style of presenting, whether it was radio or TV. Has been shot and killed in Johannesburg CBD today. The crime scene remained cordoned off with the family members present as investigation continue. Authorities are on site and further details are expected to be released in due course. DJ Waras was also a member of Olympus Protection Services. DJ Waras was also known as a man who was against crime and corruption. Well, it's sad to see him go like this. Alright, that's it for now. I'll see you again on the next story. I am Makabongwe Mataba. Goodbye.